Global Education Zone, and in this channel, in this specific video, we'll be talking about your JAMB English language syllabus. So we're talking about every single topic you'll be needing to cover in your JAMB syllabus for English language in order to pass, in order to success, in order to have success in flying colors. So basically, your syllabus will consist of 3 sections, and section 1 will be your comprehension and summary, the section 2 will be lexis and structure, and section C will be oral forms. So under your section 1, you have comprehension and summary. You need to understand description, narrative essay, descriptive essay, expository essay, argumentative or persuasive essays. So all these are essays you need to understand for your comprehension and summary. And then you need to understand the comprehension of the whole passage. So you need to, in JAMB, it's characteristic that we often have to understand many passages, like closed text passages and all the rest. So and those carry marks, a lot of marks. Your JAMB English carries a lot of marks, and it's very important for you to take it seriously. And as such, you need to take every topic listed here seriously. And this channel is here for you to enhance your understanding and to make sure that you are able to understand these topics fully, so I can pass your exams in success. So now, what you do for me is that you have to understand that you need to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can be able to understand these topics completely, and you can be able to share it to your friends. You can share the candle of knowledge so I can be able to be a light to your generation. Next, talk about the synthesis of the ideas from the passage. You need to be able to understand various topics, various and themes from the passage, and that includes being able to understand the voice of the speaker. So you need to understand the voice of the speaker, of the writer. Sorry, you need to understand the opinion, the mood of the writer, and you also need to be able to answer other questions such as make judgments from the passage. So next, we have lexis and structure, which is the second part. You need to understand synonyms, antonyms, homonyms, clauses and sentence patterns, word class and their functions, and many other parts of this. So for more information about the syllabus, check the description below for you to contact more about and know more about this channel. So basically, next we have oral forms. You have vowels, consonants, rhymes, word stress, and intonation under oral forms. Also very important because it also comes at the last section of your JAMB examination. So these are the 3 main structures, main sections for you to understand for your JAMB examination. And for the analysis of your markings, your comprehension, your 2 comprehension passages are 10 questions, and you have 3 marks each for each question. Then it's a total of 30 marks for your comprehension. Then your closed passage is 10 questions, you have 2 marks each, so that's 20 marks. Then your reading text, which is from your novel, and for this year we'll be taking forgotten the text we'll be using for your JAMB this year, but you have to understand that that carries 15 marks, and in total your section A for JAMB is 65 marks. Then section B, your sentence interpretation, is 10 questions, 2 marks each, so that's 20 marks. Then your antonyms is 10 questions, 2 marks each, that's 20 marks. Synonyms 10 questions, 1 mark each, that's 10 marks. Sentence completion 20 marks, 1 mark each, that's 20 marks. So you have a total of 70 marks for your English language. Then finally, your section C oral, we have 15 questions, 1 mark each, which is 15 marks. Total 100 questions for 150 marks. So a quick note here that nowadays your English examination question is no longer 100 questions, but now 60 questions, right? So for each of these, it still applies, but you have to reduce the marks by proportion. So it's still applicable. So you have some books which are recommended for your examination, and check the description below for more information about these books. But for the meantime, you need to understand that this channel is here for you to pass your JAMB examination with success. So thank you for watching. Good luck.